Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that covers parts of southeastern Arizona, and we have a marginal risk for severe weather today that covers parts of central Arizona, southeast Arizona, and far southwestern New Mexico. Going up here, we have a marginal risk for severe weather today that covers parts of northeastern Montana, the western parts of North Dakota and South Dakota, far eastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, the extreme northwestern corner of Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. The tornado threat is less than 2% in all areas, so there's no risk areas for a tornado today. Going over to the wind aspect of things, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of southeastern Arizona. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of central and southeastern Arizona and far southwestern New Mexico. Going up here, we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of northeastern Montana, the western parts of North Dakota and South Dakota, far eastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and the far northwestern corner of Kansas. Now going to the hail threat for today, we have a 5% chance of hail 1 inch in diameter or larger that covers parts of northwestern Nebraska and western South Dakota. So, going to the summary for today, isolated to widely scattered severe gusts are possible across southeast Arizona between 3 to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Now going to tomorrow's outlook, which is the Day 2 outlook, we have a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that covers far eastern Montana, far eastern Wyoming, northern and western North Dakota, western South Dakota, northwestern Nebraska, and the far northwestern corner of Minnesota. And the tornado threat for tomorrow is less than 2% in all areas, so there is no risk areas for a tornado tomorrow. Going over to the wind aspect of things for tomorrow, we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow that covers far eastern Montana, far northeastern Wyoming, northern and western North Dakota, western South Dakota, northwestern Nebraska, and the far northwestern corner of Minnesota. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, with a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that covers western North Dakota. So, the summary for tomorrow indicates a couple instances of severe gusts and perhaps hail are possible across northern high plains tomorrow, Friday. So, that's all I have for today. So, monitor latest forecasts, even in the marginal, for later statements and warnings, because there can still be severe gusts in a marginal. And even a general thunderstorm for that matter, but, just stay safe today and tomorrow anyway, in the affected areas, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.